shit. I may need to order a 12-pack of Cinnabon Delights. Wait a minute.
Machine user. This is a new product in my studio. So
Wait, they C9'd it.
I'm trying to push myself to learn more. Sorry about that. Sneaky peeky when you're going to see play some bars. I could see an alien bumping this shit. Hell yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah. That is so dope.
Oh, you like that comment?
Like that. I'm gonna call this shit alien bump, bitch.
That's the base. This is what I'm making.
The base.
We don't have a front door.
Wait, what?
What did it do?
I was looking.
Wait, I can't respawn. A crew compartment.
156 ping, we got a ping abuser here, got a ping abuser. 157 ping.
Admire my eloquence, bro. My nonchalant nature in general is unbelievable. Perfection, everything.
Come here, buddy. Come here. I'm gonna punch you silly little girl. I'm gonna punch you silly little girl.
Don't let him kill me.
No throwables. What the fuck?
Did you just shit yourself?
He's up there. On the corner, on the corner.
One more.
Oh no, ammo, bro.
Okay, now you can press me how you want. Blow you. Oh my god, no way.
They're outside there. There they are, they're in the roof.
No way, bro. No way, man. I don't believe any of it, man. Unbelievable. It's just not believable, you know what I mean?
What the fuck?!
There's one on top, don't you? There's one on the mountain.
Was it blue?
Yeah. There's him on the tower as well, I'm dead. Oh no! Big girthy dick coming through! Big girthy dick coming through! I'm going back inside. I'm dead. Oh, no, dude. Dude, I just got finger blocked. Oh, the dog, he's gonna kill me.
Yep, they see.
Might be a good idea for us to get out of here.
You get all the footage. Make sure to make it out of here alive, dude. Fuck me, man.
What did you do with Sneaky's buddy?
Oh my fucking god!